Good morning, New York. Good morning, USA, and good evening, India, and good evening today, Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu state in India. So, welcome to the Friday talk show of Global Electronics. It is about electronics manufacturing. Uh, whether it's global, whether it's regional, we don't know, but it's all about electronics manufacturing. And this particular talk show is on every Friday at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time of US, as well as 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So we bring in various kinds of topics in this particular talk show, whether it's related to the challenges faced in the manufacturing activities in the electronics, or whether it is the trend of the electronics manufacturing or the electronics product, or whether it's the various kinds of application in the electronics market segment, or what kind of quality management system needs to be kept in the electronics manufacturing today specifically. And also don't forget, we also had session 1 of FMEA, which is very important in the electronics manufacturing, and we do have the FMEA session 2 in the next coming week. So, and today's topic is very important. We are talking about DQMS in the electronics manufacturing. But before that, I would like to thank all the supporters that are involved in supporting this channel and to make this channel grow every day and every moment. And your subscription and your support and your comments are very valuable to us to grow this channel, because this is totally a community, electronics community helping channel, and doesn't involve any kind of commercial activities. With that said, your host Rajiv Kulkarni welcomes you all to this channel. And today we have a special guest from the southern part of India, and basically he is from Bangalore, but today he is based in his office in Coimbatore. That's why I said good evening, Coimbatore. But before that, we talk about digital quality management system, and this gentleman has numerous years of experience in the quality management system, and he has served the industry for more than 3 decades in the electronics manufacturing. And let's welcome. And today he works for, or he is a co-founder of Nathan and Nathan Global Inc., which is headquartered in Bangalore, but he is joining us from his Coimbatore office. Let's welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Venkata Subramanian to our show, Global Electronics. Welcome to the show, Mr. Venkata Subramanian, sir. Good evening. How are you today?
Yeah, very fine, Mr. Rajiv. I'm really happy to meet your team today, and I would be very happy to make the presentation on the digital quality management system today.
Yes, sir. Thank you very
Thank you,
much
Mr.
for
Rajiv.
joining us, because we know that it's a very busy schedule for you, because you're always in the training, you're always in the helping the people in various electronics manufacturers, and you're always on the move, and you're taking this time of yours and join our show and help our people to understand about digital quality management system. So let's start our session today, but I would love to hear from you about your background first.
Yeah, I am Venkata Subramanian, a pretty long name. All of you can call me Venkat. I'm a mechanical engineer, but incidentally, I started my career with electronics manufacturing company only. After my graduation, I went into BPL Limited, one of the leading television manufacturing company. Ever since I've been with a lot of electronics companies. I was with BPL for 6 years. Subsequently, I moved to consulting field, our company Nathan and Nathan. It was founded by my senior in the college. Then we are running this company. We have been helping a lot of companies for implementing various management systems, not only on the quality, including environment, health, safety, information security management systems. And we work with a lot of electronics manufacturing sectors in various fields, not only on the quality side, and several other initiatives we are taking up with regard to improvement of their processes, etc. So this particular product, digital quality management system, is one of our baby. I'm very happy that you are giving us an opportunity to talk about digital quality management system to the elite audience here. Yeah, Mr. Ram.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Venkat sir, for your beautiful introduction. And so let's get on to the topic. What exactly is
Yeah,
DQMS?
yeah. So basically, what happens? System is the most respected word in the organization. At the same time, system is the one which is disrespected also. Many people do not understand what exactly the system requirements. Many times it's being implemented because customer asks for it. Many times it is being implemented because the standard calls for it.
Correct.
People have to imbibe the concept of system with their day-to-day work. That is actually the exact objective behind developing various ISO standards. The ISO standards have evolved over a period of 1987. That's exactly the where when I completed my graduation, 87 ISO 9000 standard was also born. So in the last 37 years, 38 years, a lot of changes, a lot of evolution has happened in the management system standards. So how an organization has to view the management system, how every individual can imbibe system as the way of work through proper digitizing. The digitizing alone will not help unless we do the integration. So I'm trying to coin a word DI, like AI has become very popular today. We are trying to coin DI, the digital integrated quality management system. That's what I have framed this presentation today, which I am going to share with the elite audience today. How an individual can imbibe the quality management system as part of their day-to-day work. How system can be integrated properly. That's the whole purpose of today's presentation.
Oh, since you have a
Yeah,
presentation, I have already given the sharing screen
yeah.
option to you.
Okay,
So, role of digital
okay.
quality management system in the electronics manufacturing, and then we can talk about the benefits of the same. So, you can start your presentation. Sure.
Thank you, thank you. I'm just sharing. You can just confirm.
Yeah. Okay.
You're able to see the screen?
Yeah, the screen is showing the. Yeah, okay. Now we can see the presentation. You can put it in the. Yeah, okay. Presentation mode. Okay, great. Yeah, we can see it.
So, welcome once again to all the participants. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are in the various parts of the world. I'm happy to connect with you. I welcome once again on behalf of our organization, Nathan and Nathan Global, which is based at Bengaluru. A brief about our company, Nathan and Nathan. We started in the year 1990. Mr. Nathan, as I said, my senior, he started this company. I joined with him since 93, and we have more than 5,000 plus customers all over the world. We have got more than 100 full-time consultants, and we have operations worldwide. We are working, even though we are an Indian-based company, we work with a lot of companies in US, Germany, Middle East also. And we have our operating locations in Bengaluru, Pune, Chennai, Coimbatore. And today, of course, I'm in our Coimbatore office. Just to keep personal about our company, Mr. Nathan, as I said, he started this company. I am one of the partners. Mrs. Uma Nathan is another partner. We've got three senior gentlemen. One, Mr. Prasanna Kumar, is a principal consultant and he is an expert in the quality management system side. And Mr. Balakrishnan is the head of our software division who was instrumental in developing this digital quality management system software. Just a quick overview of our services, primarily management system consultancy. That's a consultancy for various aspects of management system standards we do. We take up a lot of business improvement services. We take up third-party process assurance services also. We have a synergy services by which we help a lot of companies to promote their products, sourcing support we do. We have a software service division. The software service division and the management system consultancy wing, we have tied up to develop this digital integrated quality management system. We have got a product sales team also. So before going into the digital integrated quality systems, I would like to give a philosophy about the correct understanding of the system. As I said, the system is the most respected word. System is the most disrespected word also in the world. When we try to understand, many times we blame an individual if a system is not being complied. We blame an individual who has not followed the system. But nobody in a company wants to do a mistake. Everybody wants to do a good job. But if you look at a problem, if there is a deviation, if there is an abnormality, any problem is traceable to a system. But system has to come from a good environment. That is why most of the management system standards have kept the quality policy or environment policy at the apex level, because that demonstrates the commitment of the top management towards implementing a good system. A good policy creates a good environment, working environment for which is conducive to the people for implementing the systems. Any corrective measures, whenever there is an abnormality, non-conformance, the corrective measures improvement should not be an ad hoc. It should be a system related. Now, only when we have our systems in place, we can meet the customer satisfaction. And today, the needs and expectations of customers are increasing every day. Many of you in your own organization would be realizing it. Only way to meet the customer expectations is through the system. For that, it's important that everybody in the company should be involved. It's the quality management system implementation is not an individual department's activity. Everybody in the company should get involved in implementing the system. That can happen only through a proper system. Many companies, if you look at it, typically there are a lot of problems. For many of the requirements, there is no proper laid down system available. But some cases, what happens? There is a system, but it is not communicated. A digital system should help in this. The procedures are available, templates are available, guidelines are available, but it is not communicated across the company. Many people do not or are not even aware what is the system which is to be followed. Some of the companies, the system is available, but it is not suitable. People find it very difficult. When we come across various companies, they say, I've got a lot of systems, but I am not able to follow. My people are not able to follow. They find the system is not suitable. But the last, very important from the management perspective, many companies have the system, maybe it is suitable, it is not effective, it is not giving the results. They say, I have put a lot of systems, I am certified for various standards, but where are the results? Where are the benefits? So these are all the four common problems which companies are looking at it at various levels of people. They are looking at it. They are experiencing it. Now, when you look at it, what companies look at it is any organization has got certain objectives to be achieved. Of course, we are in business. The business means some objectives have to be achieved. It could be financial, it could be growth oriented, it could be skill oriented, it could be customer oriented. There are objectives which need to be achieved at the end of the day. These objectives should be achieved by not through an individual excellence. Many people work very hard, they put a lot of efforts, they achieve the results through an individual excellence. The individual excellence, if they achieve their results, it is not sustainable. Only when you effectively implement an integrated system, the results become sustainable. Now, only when the results become sustainable, that means you achieve the objectives on a continuous basis, you get the desired benefits from the system. So, if we want to get a desired benefit from the system, there has to be a proper workflow, there has to be a proper process flow, which helps any activity to be defined as an input activity output model. Output of any process should become input to subsequent process. Then things becomes integrated in a company. Many of the companies, if you look at it, every process becomes an isolated, standalone processes. The standalone process will not ensure proper results. If a system is integrated in a proper way, then the system will give the desired results. So if you look at integration, as I said, the integration is a key word. That means any systems have to be integrated as part of the day-to-day life. If the system is proper apart from ISO 9000, which is a common quality management system requirements applicable for any organization. Depending upon the applications or the product line in which you are serving to, you have to comply to various other standards. Apart from that, over and above, you have got environment management systems, ISO 14000, you've got occupational health and safety management systems, ISO 45000. Like that, standard keeps on going. Any organization, if you look at it, you are into multiple domain, multiple applications. You have to get certified to many standards. This puts a lot of challenge for industries, particularly the electronics industry segment. Over and above, since a lot of industries are going for electronics based on they are converting from a mechanical based controls to electronic based control, a lot of new product development is happening. The new product development has got its own challenges, quick turnaround time, the need for faster development. Parallelly, you have to follow many new product development techniques like APQP, PPAP, FMEA, etc. Then large variants and low volume production. This is a challenge many electronics industries are facing today. There are too many parts to be developed, too many grades to be developed, low volume production too. Then huge customer expectations in terms of quality, delivery, system compliance, etc. Need for compliance to various standards. As I had put it in the earlier slide, you have to comply if you are supplying to automotive, railways, and aerospace. You have to get minimum certified to 3 standards, apart from the basic compliance to ISO 9000. High attrition, with all these things, manpower attrition is a big problem. I'm sure it is in India. I don't know about other countries today, how is the attrition rate? Because if you are again an individual man compliance, if you are a person dependent, the high attrition leads to a lot of difficulties in compliance to the standards. But the customer wants you to comply with all the standards. Management wants you to comply with all the standard requirements. So this is a big challenge faced by electronics industry, because the growth is also very high. You don't have sufficient time to observe and then grow. So there is a big challenge which is being faced by electronics industries today. That's where the DQMS, which I am slightly expanding to DIQMS, plays a very important role. So I would like to explain about the digital integrated quality management system and its applications in the electronics industry in the subsequent slides. So what are the needs? Why we need a digital quality management system? So one is it has to have on-time compliance to management system requirements. I'll come to the online later. Some management system requirements have to be implemented on time basis. Many times what happens, you do some work and then you document later, you record it later. That means our system compliance and regular work is not getting aligned. So there has to be an on-time compliance to management system requirement, and it has to be online. Online systems help you to ensure that the real-time data is captured. Many of the cases, what happens, the real-time data is not captured. Real-time information is not captured. So an online on-time compliance to standard is the key need of the industry today. And any system which is being implemented, it is not done by one company. There has to be a continuous, seamless workflow between the various functions. If you look at it, I will show you a total process flow for a management system requirement compliance. Any organization, it involves the need or involvement from various functions, right? From R&D to engineering to production, purchase, quality, maintenance. Various functions have to work in a seamless way. This integrated way of working between the functions can happen only through a proper digital system. And of course, various requirements, as I said, NPD, I'm very happy Rajiv has been organizing programs related to FMEA, which is one of the key requirements today, which is part of the new product development. In the new product development, FMEA is again not a standalone tool. FMEA has to be linked between the process flow to FMEA to control plan and subsequent to MSA, SPC. A host of tools are there. Every tool is linked with one another. We cannot implement any tool on a standalone basis. There is a need of a linkage between various requirements, PFD, FMEA, control plan, MSA, SPC, etc. Then, of course, documentation and record maintenance will become easier in a digital quality management system, and the retrieval of the documents and records also will be much easier. And the system will be auditor friendly. Whether we like it or not, we have to face a lot of audits in our part of our day-to-day activity. Any customer before approving the supplier. They audit your entire systems. You are audited by a third-party auditor, etc. A host of audits are being faced by any organization. A good digital quality management system will help you to maintain this records and documents in an easy way. And then, of course, you have to be in line with the industry 4.0 requirements. The digital quality management system, what we have developed in our company, is compatible with the industry 4.0 requirements too. So, in a nutshell, if you look at it, there is a need for digital quality management systems mainly for three important purposes. One is the quality management system requirements, irrespective of whatever standard or standards you are following, should get integrated with your regular workflow. And there has to be an integration between the function. And third, very important is for your business processes, you must be following a particular ERP flow. It could be SAP system, Oracle system, whatever. The quality management system software, whatever you are going to use, should also get integrated with your existing ERP flow. Then the quality management system practices will become part and parcel of your business processes. That is what we are trying to aim through the digital quality management system. Digital quality management system software, whatever we have developed, has got several modules. I'll just explain. For the sake of convenience from the operating point of view, we have classified under 5 sections. One is related to quality management system directly. Another is related to quality engineering. Another is quality control. Another is new product development or manufacturing engineering and others. So we have broadly classified under 5 categories, but all these modules are all integrated with each other. Just for the point of view of explanation from the functional point of view, we have classified under 5 categories. Quality management system modules include document management, management review meeting, audit management, risk management, compliance management, continual improvement. Quality engineering modules include calibration, MSA, SPC, PFD, FMEA, control plan, complaint analysis. The quality control includes your incoming inspection, in-process inspection, final quality control, layout inspection, first article, last article inspection, abnormality handling and corrective action, and also monitoring of the cost of poor quality. Because this is one of the very, very effective indicator, which is used to judge the effectiveness of the quality management systems. We implement all the quality system requirements, but still, if the company does not reduce their cost of poor quality, the system does not become effective. Every company management would like to reduce their cost of poor quality. So that's also one of the module under the quality control requirement. And as part of the NPD manufacturing engineering, the APQP PPAP processes, part of the new product development, and also the change management. Again, the change management is a bigger challenge for electronics industry. A lot of changes, either it is an or the supplier driven changes or the customer driven changes happen on a very, very regular basis. The managing the ECN, or we call it as a forum change management, is also a very, very important module. And of course, the process validation. That's very, very important. The electronic manufacturing industries, if you look at it, there are a lot of special processes involved from the perspective. All these processes have to be validated. All the forum conditions have to be validated whenever they are developed, as well as on a periodical basis. The process validation requirements are also included in our management. Others, of course, is evaluation, training, etc. So these are all the various modules which we are having it in our system. Briefly tell you how the integration works. Basically, the document management, that is a central hub. If you look at it, any quality management system requires not only quality management system, even environment management, occupational health safety management. The documentation, right, we generally follow 4 levels of documentation, manuals, procedure, SOPs, templates, etc. The system will be the central hub creating all other modules. In the support function, supplier evaluation, training, requirements, NPD requirements, input, audit management, quality
So,
engineering requirement, calibration, MSA, SPC. So there will be a seamless.
Venkat, sorry to interrupt you. Venkat, sorry
Hello?
to interrupt you. Yeah, sorry to interrupt
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
I think you can stop sharing the screen, because I think there has been quite delay in
Yeah.
transmitting the slides. Some
okay.
people are not able
Okay.
to see because it gets stuck, it seems. So maybe you can just explain
Okay.
it, whatever you want to talk, just that's fine, and we can just keep displaying at
Yeah.
our end, you know. So maybe Sandeep,
Okay.
if you
Okay.
have the
Yeah.
slides taken from integration, how it works from here, you can start displaying. Yeah. So you can start explaining, no problem, without the slides. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 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 I'll stop
Sorry,
the sharing
sorry,
now.
sorry for interrupting.
Yeah. 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 Sure. 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 Yeah. So I will just explain the process flow, how the quality modules are getting integrated.
Yes,
It
please.
starts with a new product development cycle. Then it assesses the risk management related to the new products. Then it goes through the APQP cycle, where the entire five phases of APQP are driven. Then it goes through the PPAP route. In that APQP route, the process flow diagram, FMEA, control plan, SPC, MSA, and SPC are integrated. Then once the quality planning sign off is done and the part is released for part production, again our quality management system software takes you through the setup approval and incoming inspection when the regular production takes place. Then the in-process inspection takes place. Then the final inspection takes place and the product is ready for dispatch to the customer. This is the entire process flow, both the new product development and the regular manufacturing process inspection process happens. Then APQP module also ensures a forum change management. Whenever there is a change management takes place, the forum management also drives the appropriate APQP steps. And as part of the inspection requirement, the calibration is also included into the document management system flow. And checkpoints like audit management systems. The audit management includes system audit, product audit, as well as process audit. Then the input of audit management goes through the management review also. Then there is a continuous improvement flow takes place in the system. The continuous improvement gives feedback to your new product development processes as well as the existing production and inspection processes. Then as part of the inspection, you will also get the abnormality handling and the corrective action process is also included into the system. External, once the product is dispatched, in case of any customer complaints, the customer complaint handling is also included into the digital quality management system software. Then all these modules are getting integrated along with the document management systems. So whenever there is a change to any documentation, it could be into your SOPs, formats, templates, etc. Again, it is driven through the digital quality management systems so that the latest documents are available in the server. Any departments wants to view the documents, they are always having access to the latest documents only or the current version documents only. So the entire quality management systems requirements are done through a seamless flow, and the loop is also ensured through this flow. I'll come to the next slide. I also would like to give a brief about few of the modules. So one of the very important module, as I said, the DocuSys or the document management system. The document management systems manages all your documentation. It need not be only your quality management system documentation. You can even upload your documentation related to environment management systems, ISO 45000 health and safety management systems documents also. And as I said, only the latest approved documents are available to all the users. And it has have a provision to control all the documents by providing the necessary user rights. And then even the obsolete documents required also can be kept in a particular folder for future reference, so that in case you want to look into your obsolete documents, you can refer at any point of time. N number of documents can always be kept. There is no limitation. So in the document management, there is a robust workflow to upload, review, approval systems, because any document internally, you'll have a review systems and then approval systems. It could be 2-level, 3-level approvals. Everything is possible. Then again, auto mailer to users also. The digital quality management, when a particular document has been created, many other departments would like to know about the documentation. So there is also an auto mailer facility to ensure that the latest documents or any modification in the documents are communicated to the users. And this any type of documentation, it could be Word, Excel in any form, PDF, images can be put it into our document management system. Again, change history is possible with any document when it undergoes several revisions. The revision history is also known, and then access rights are also provided to proper user groups. And then automatic reminder for document review and approval, because when the document has to get reviewed by different levels of people, there is also a automatic reminder so that the documents are reviewed and approved at a defined point of time. Then another software, another module of us is on the FMEA, which integrates PFD, FMEA, and the control plan requirements. So this software is developed in line with the AAG VDA requirement. The automotive industries have come out with the latest version of AAG VDA manual. This integrates the new requirements, including the structure tree, which is one of the important requirements of AAG VDA manual. And of course, it links process flow diagram, FMEA, and control plan. And it also monitors the prevention and the detection controls for all the failure modes and the failure causes. And then it has got a user interface to enter the stage-wise data, because any process FMEA has to take care of various operations. All the operations data, right from the current stage, the auto capturing of the data is possible in the system. And then it also ensures what is the recommended actions for various failure modes, failure causes. And then, as I said, it is developed based on the AG VDA manual. This also has got the revision control with the revision history. And then whatever FMEA status also is known. And again, it has got easy user control to prepare, approve, and view the data. And it has got several MIS, which includes failure mode versus cost matrix, failure causes versus detection matrix. It is very, very important for a electronics manufacturing industry. Various defects happen. This gives a very good database of what are the failure modes versus causes. For each type of causes, what is the prevention control? And each type of failure mode, what is the detection control available? And also prioritizes what is the list of higher severity failure modes, and also gives a priority for the action priority. That today FMEA module works with the action priority table, that is also done. And it also gives a proper linkage between PFD, FMEA, and control plan through a proper data flow. Once you enter the product characteristics and process characteristics in process flow diagram, the same are captured into the FMEA, and the same are further linked into the control plan. From FMEA to control plan, the appropriate controls are also properly linked. And we have also got a calibration management software, which manages the calibration needs of both product and process control equipment, which has got a comprehensive dashboard to monitor the calibration system. It has got a built-in history code generator, and it also gives an automatic mail reminder for dues and overdues. And it monitors both in-house calibration as well as external calibration also. And a properly master list is maintained with proper color coding, and the equipment status of calibration is also known to all the users, and it also gives a provision to upload the work in progress and the related documentation. A lot of graphical reports are available to understand the calibration performance, including the trend of the accuracy of the instruments. And there is an MSA software also. That MSA is again developed as per the latest version of AG, which covers all the studies: bias, linearity, R&R variable, attribute, and stability study also. Even R&R methodology as per ANOVA method is included into the MSA software. We also, this SPC software is also available in the digital quality management system, which is again developed as per the AAG SPC second edition. And one important unique feature about this SPC is this has got a provision to interface with the instrument, and auto capturing of the data is possible. It includes all the control charts, X bar R, XMR chart, X bar S chart, and all the attribute control charts also, P, NP, C, U charts. And it covers both the preliminary as well as ongoing process capability study. All the control charts are or can be maintained on an online basis. And we have got a customer complaint management software also, which manages the customer complaints with ease. And it can monitor both the customer related complaint and also the field complaints. And the AD reports, it's possible to get generated through the system. The entire workflow follows the AD methodology, and it is customizable also. It's not that this CCMS is a very standard package. We can customize it based on the current practices, and there are graphs to show the response time for customer complaints. And then a document updation also. Once the corrective action is taken, the standardization also can be done through the system. And trend of the customer complaints and also the response time, how much complaints are closed, etc., can be monitored. And then, as I said, it is linked with the AD methodology. And we have got an audit management system also. As I said, this audit management system takes care of system, process, and product audit. And one important thing is even the customer audits, the customers come and do application. Similarly, you go to the suppliers for conducting audit. That is also integrated into this thing. And the entire flow of annual audit plan, monthly schedule, audit verification of the corrective actions, closing the audit and see are all done through the system. And then it has got a graphical dashboard which monitors the trend of the audit, each audits, how many audit NCs are raised, closed, how many are closed within the specified target time. All the MIS is possible. And a good MIS is available for all these modules with proper dashboards, MSA, SPC calibration, forum change management, APQP status, audit management systems, customer complaint trend, internal complaint trend, supplier complaint trends, cost of poor quality. All the key are tracked through the digital quality management system. This is basically the overall view I wanted to present in this program today. Sorry for a little bit of inconvenience with regard to the video presentation. I'm sorry. So now I leave it to Mr. Raju Kulkarni and also the participants to get any queries.
Thank you so very much, Venkat sir. It was a very constructive and a very descriptive information that you shared with us. Thank you so very much for that. And yes, sometimes we do face these kind of small glitches now and then because of network bandwidth or the place and so on and so forth, which is okay, and because the major content that you have been able to share, that is what it matters. And to all the audience there, with the beautiful comments they have given, people have said that very good presentations are very informative and nice interaction. And so such when the people comment, it's really helpful, and it encourages us as well as the guest whom we bring. And definitely Mr. Venkat, I would be requesting Mr. Venkat to present in person sometime in March, which all will be, we will be announcing that once we decide to do that along with Mr. Venkat, and sometime in Bangalore. And I will also work with Mr. Venkat to, so that we have an in-person interactive session and a presentation for 45-50 minutes kind of a presentation, so that we do this through Surface Mount Technology Association, which is based in Bangalore, and we can do that, Venkat sir, and in person as well. A nice presentation about digital quality management system. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think if you don't have any more questions here, so people are still commenting. Very informative session, very nice presentation, and so on and so forth. Which definitely thank you very much for such beautiful comments to all of you. And so I would like to say this. Before we conclude today's session is, to all of you, a digital quality management system, it plays a very vital role in the electronics manufacturing. by ensuring the production of high quality products and while reducing the cost and improving the efficiency. And by implementing a digital quality management system, that is DQMS, which Venkat sir presented, the electronics manufacturers can improve product quality and reduce cost and enhance compliance with regulatory requirements. So, with that said, again, I thank you all for joining for today's talk show. We will come back again with another important topic, that is FMEA Part 2, next Friday, same time, at the same location, of course. So don't forget to log in, and of course please do subscribe our channel. So Mr. Venkat, thank you again for joining us today with your valuable time and sharing your wealth of knowledge, and thank you Sandeep for supporting technically. So Venkat sir, you have any 1 or 2 minutes message that you want to give it to audience?
Yeah, okay. So I would like everybody to look at the digitizing and integrating the quality management system requirements in their own organization, which will help you to integrate the entire QMS flow into your regular business process flow. So this particular software, whatever we have developed, would be a very handy tool for you, which is easy to implement, and it incorporates all the customer specific requirements and various standard requirements. I am sure this will be beneficial to all the organizations. That's the message I want to tell. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Venkat, and thank you all the audience. And please
Yeah,
keep tuning with the Global Electronics, and keep subscribing and keep sharing our channel so that we can bring more and more guests with a lot of information on this channel about electronics manufacturing. So wherever you are, be safe and be healthy and be happy. Thank you very much.